Over here, the gable cut tiles slipped out of position due to environmental loads. That's because it's missing mechanical fasteners like this to hold them in place. Luckily, there's a circuit tray here. Without this circuit tray, this house would have been flooded. But still, you can still get leaks because the tiles need to run close to the wall. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these clips in place just to show you how easy it is to mechanically fasten these tiles to stop them slipping out of position. So first you put the cut gable tile back into position, make sure it's plumb and flush. Then with the water course on the second tile, put this clip underneath the water course. And then with the top of the clip, push it and connect it onto the other tile. Just like that. Now, as you can see, it takes a lot of force to get them to move them, but as you can see, due to environmental loads, it's not going to move. You can purchase these clips from us, so you can do them yourself at jsoUroofing.com. Thanks for watching.